Hi, I'd like to show you how to use the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra version in the Blackboard Learn LMS. So with the release of the new Blackboard Collaborate system, we're very excited to have a pilot within our Blackboard system. And just to do a quick reminder, this is what the new Blackboard Collaborate looks like. It's basically a browser-based application where if you are using Chrome as the presenter, you can do application sharing, you can share files, do many of the things that online meetings or student collaboration sessions call for. Of course, any other browser can be used by a student to consume the content, but Chrome is the browser that allows us to do application sharing, so for a presenter that's the best fit. So let's take a look at Blackboard Learn and how this would look like inside of a course. First of all, in upcoming months, we will have a choice of the previous version of Collaborate and the new version. I will first navigate to a course which has the current version of Blackboard Collaborate. So if I was to navigate to the course tools and then click on Blackboard Collaborate, I will know I have the standard version of Collaborate because I see the Create Session button. So I can schedule a session and I can see the schedule sessions on the same page. I can edit a room and of course have all the standard settings we're familiar with from the current version of Collaborate. So upon a request, an invitation to the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra program, you will now have in the same learning management system a new option. So now I will navigate to a course which has the Ultra Collaborate experience enabled. So we go to the same URL under Course Tools, under Blackboard Collaborate, and you will see the screen is different. The Schedule a Session link does not appear here. And if I was to simply click on Join Room, this is going to launch right into the new Blackboard Ultra. So this is going to log me in and start a meeting room. I'll go ahead and close this window. So what are some of the other buttons here? Well, first of all, in the Ultra Collaborate system, there are two URLs that are important. One is to invite guests to the meeting. So we could include this perhaps in an email as we send it out to students, or we can embed this link in a course, and students then would be considered guests. We also are able to generate links by going to Edit Room. We can generate links for moderators. So if we would like to have multiple people have a teaching, instructing role. With these links here, for example, if this is a meeting at a department level where we would like everyone to participate, we simply check on here that all the guests that are joining would be joining with full participant permissions, means they can speak, they can present. But we can also restrict this access so that only users on the current list here are able to join the session. So this is very flexible in how we want to set it up, and the default setting simply means the room will get started, and as participants join, they can be made into moderators if needed. Now students still have an option to use the chat system and then ask questions and participate that way. What is new in this version, though, in terms of the mechanics, is that you are unable to schedule sessions. Well, this is coming in future releases of this software, but one thing that can be done already is we can go to add a link to a course, and we can select which content area, so where on the menu this is going to appear, and here we can even select when the link will appear. So even though this is the same room that we share across the entire course, and of course when we're in the room we can specify to record the session, and the recordings will be displayed to the instructor later on. But it's the same room that we're sharing. So what this screen allows us to do is to display the link to this room in different sections of the course. That way, as students perhaps go to week 2 folder or a learning module, the link will activate, and then they know that they can go ahead and participate in the meeting. So these are some of the options associated with the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra program. And again, sending out the invitation link, or including this link anywhere in the course, will give students access to the meeting room. Well, I hope this was helpful to you, and we're looking forward to comparing notes on the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra product. Thank you.